Welcome to the introductory session of the PG Diploma in Oil and Gas Piping Engineering Design and Analysis course from ASTS Global Education. Hi everyone. Today we'll explore the fascinating world of piping systems, their importance, typical applications in various industries, and the different service conditions these systems face in real-world environments. Think of piping systems in an industrial plant, like the arteries and veins of the human body. Just as blood vessels carry blood, oxygen, and nutrients essential for life, industrial piping systems transport various essential fluids and materials crucial for operational processes. Piping systems have broad applications across multiple sectors, including marine and offshore, transportation, engineering industries, commercial establishments, and industrial manufacturing facilities. Let's briefly explore each of these sectors. In the marine industry, piping systems are essential for ships and offshore platforms, transporting fuel, water, and chemicals safely. Transportation industries use piping extensively to handle fuel distribution and maintenance facilities. Civil engineering projects often involve piping for utilities, such as water supply, sewage systems, and heating or cooling installations. Commercial establishments like hospitals, hotels, and shopping malls rely heavily on piping systems for water supply, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Now, let's clearly understand the two main types of piping systems: process piping and service piping. Process piping transports fluids directly involved in the manufacturing or processing operations. It transfers materials like crude oil, refined petroleum products, and chemicals between storage tanks and processing equipment. On the other hand, service piping transports utilities required for supporting industrial processes, such as steam, air, and water. Typical applications of piping systems include conveying oil, gas, and various other fluids in refineries, petrochemical plants, and offshore oil platforms, transporting liquids, gases, vapors, and chemicals within chemical plants, pharmaceutical industries, paper mills, food processing plants, and other manufacturing facilities, moving high-pressure and high-temperature steam required in thermal power plants for electricity generation, delivering potable water from reservoirs to urban areas, ensuring safe drinking water reaches homes and businesses. Piping systems operate under challenging conditions, which we refer to as service conditions. These conditions significantly influence piping design, material selection, and safety measures. Typical service conditions include high-temperature environments, such as those found in power generation and refining processes. Cryogenic conditions involving extremely low temperatures, common in gas processing and storage. High pressure and low pressure conditions, vacuum, which impact pipe strength and thickness. High fluid velocities, causing potential erosion and material wear. Exposure to corrosion due to aggressive fluids or harsh environmental conditions. Hazardous conditions involving explosive, flammable, or toxic fluids, demanding robust safety protocols. Understanding these varied service conditions helps engineers design piping systems that are safe, efficient, and reliable for specific industrial applications. This completes our detailed introduction to piping systems, their applications, and service conditions. In our next session, we'll dive deeper into piping components, material selection, and design considerations. Thank you for joining us with ASTS Global Education, and see you soon with next topic.